Hello, smart data learners. Welcome to our channel, Business Intelligence by Colleen. Today, we will cover an important topic in the Power BI, where when we are creating graphs or matrix table, we need to show all the dates, all the months of a calendar year, regardless of data available during that time or not, because many times this is the requirement of management or the end users. They ask questions that where are the missing months, why these months are not shown on the visual, and they want to see these also regardless whether there was data or no data, right? So let's go to the Power BI and show you what we were talking about. Let's say we have this visual executive summary financial report we created. It's very simple visual, just a basic one. Um, so here we are utilizing the date function. Months, we are showing the months and all that. You see, and in these we are using date and year and month. So if we don't show all the items, so then we will show from September, October, November, December for 2013, and January, February, March, April, May until December for all months in December. But when we present this visual to management, they ask for where are the remaining months of the 2013, and that is the that can be resolved in the Power BI, and it's a very important and powerful feature. And I came across this kind of questions by the management where they want to see all the months regardless there was a data or whether there was no data, right? So let me show you how we can do that. Basically, let's first read this article in our website, which is businessintelligence.pi. This is our website, and we have created this. And the feature name is how to enable show items with no data in Power BI for complete time-based reporting. We posted this in November 2024. So let's how to enable show items in Power BI for complete time-based reporting. In Power BI, many companies and end users want to see all months in a report, regardless of whether data is available for each month. For instance, management may require insights across all fiscal year, even for months with no transactions. The show item with no data feature in Power BI enables a comprehensive time-based view, ensuring all months or any other dimension are displayed consistently. This feature is invaluable for delivering reliable year-round insights. In this guide, we will outline the steps to activate this show items in Power BI. First of all, step one is use a date table or dimension table. So that is basically very important. We have to have a date table, calendar table in all the Power BI visuals or Power BI dashboards. And then date table provides a solid foundation for report that spans months or years Similarly, a dimension table guarantees all categories are available in the report for a non-time based dimensions. So we can use also this feature for dimensions, various dimensions, as well as the dates or months or years. Step 2, mark the date table as a date table for date reports. Right? We have to mark the date table as a date report. If you are using a date table, Power BI needs to recognize it as a date table. So let's see in our data model. This one is we right click and mark as a date table. So we have marked it as a date table. So we have already enabled it, mark as a date table. Right? Okay. So that step we have done that. Let's go back to our article. Choose the main date column, date table date as a primary date field. Marking the date table as such allows Power BI to process time-based data for more effectively improving report accuracy. Establish relationship in model view. So then we have to create a relationship. We have already created a relationship between date in financials and the date in calendar table. Next, bring the date or dimension table from your date or dimension table into the matrix visualization or column graphs. Okay, adding that enable show item with no data. And also adjust or remove filters as needed. Finally, check if any filters on the reports level could be limiting the display of months or we can sometime we filter some months, so we should not have a filter on that. How it will appear in your report with show items with no data enables your Power BI report will display every month, even those months without data. Months will no with no data may appear blank or show zero values, but they will still be visible in the matrix. This approach provides a full view of each time period or dimension. Create a calendar year round tables. This this technique ensures consistency but also improves report clarity, helps stakeholders make more informed, reliable decisions based on the full year or all categories. Whether it's a fiscal overview, product lineup, location based insights, show items with no data in Power BI delivers complete and actionable business intelligence. So let's go to our okay. So here we have our executive summary financial report, and in this we have our matrix table which shows the 2013 and 2014 data. You see in 2014 we have all the data, but in 2013 we have from September to December. So we can enable that feature here. Go there and then show items with no data. So now we have all these with no data shown, and then we can say that there was no data during that time period, right? And there certain graphs can be also be used. For example, I have experienced with this graph, like for example, column graph. You see in the column graph, it shows all the data, but for these, it won't show anything. And if we, it will show from September to, this is 2013 and 2014. But if we show all items, it will show all. I have experienced that with this specific graph, it works with this and with the table matrix, but was not able to do here, was not able to utilize here. Uh, so we can use this feature in this clustered column chart or a matrix table so far. So this is our feature here. And this is so I hope this video will be useful for our viewers. If you have any questions, please leave comments, and if you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a great day.